Who is ready to win some cash tonight? Okay, one more time. Let's try one more time. On the count of 3, who is ready to win some cash tonight? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Welcome to Kelowna Hyundai's annual 10K giveaway. Let's go, we're here. First and foremost, my name is Sam Desson. I'm the general manager and managing partner here at Kelowna Hyundai. So this is by far one of my most favorite events that we have every year. As a company, we're big believers in giving back to our customers that are a big part of our success. So I just, again, I wanted to say thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule. We're gonna make sure you guys have a good time tonight. I did want to make one quick announcement. A lot of you guys probably know him. You've seen him in commercials, or you've seen him on the sales floor or in the service department, because he is a pretty hands-on owner. John unfortunately couldn't be here tonight. He's a little under the weather, but he did want me to say on his behalf, thank you so much. He's a big fan of coming to all these events. He's usually the guy holding the mic, and I kind of assist him from the side, but he did want me to say a personal thank you to all the customers and staff for making this event happen. So thank you so much, and yeah, just wanted to pass those sentiments on from John. Over the last 11 years that we've been running this organization as well, we've won the President's Award of Merit 7 out of 11 years. So just so you guys are aware, the President's Award of Merit is the highest honor you can get through Hyundai Canada for customer service and sales. And again, it wouldn't happen without our customers. Sincerely, on behalf of ownership, myself, all the staff here, let's make some noise for our customers, guys. We couldn't do this without you guys. Well, let's get to it. You guys came to win some cash and prizes. So who is ready to win some cash tonight? We're giving away $10,000. Let's go. I like it. Say it proud.
Jobe.
Jean Jobe.
Maybe I should take it back.
Swag bag. So a beautiful umbrella on those rainy or hot days. We have free maintenance for a year, 2 free oil changes, and you also have a bunch of Hyundai goodies in here, water bottles, coffee mugs, and then a winter gift set in the back, which is all Hyundai labeled as well. It's about a value of $300. So good job, Jean. Albright. Chris Albright, come on down. You can give him the bag.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to turn over the mic to Connor McGowan, our general sales manager. He's my right hand. It's also his family business, as he is part of the family. So Connor, the mic is yours. Take it away, please.
With John, my father-in-law, not make it tonight, I kind of had to grab the mic and do what he would usually do. So, we are going to have some fun in here tonight. There is a slogan that the Caught Auto Group holds. Does anyone know what it is? We sell cars. We sell cars! Yes, we do. So, before we can give away any more prizes, we will have to do it as a team. Okay? So on the count of 3, I'm hoping everyone in here can yell out, "We sell cars." Okay, are we ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. We sell cars!
This side of the room, on the count of 3 to make some noise about winning some cash. And I want to see excitement on who wants to win some cash tonight. So, on the count of 3, who wants to win some cash? 1, 2, 3. On the count of 3, to the right of me, who wants to win some cash? 1, 2, 3.
All right. So for the next prize, Sam has spoken quite highly of him this evening, but Mike Ister, we are calling on you again, my friend.
Don't worry, I'm not looking. Nancy Ward.
Nancy Ward.
Nancy Ward.
Congrats. Yeah. Thanks, sir. All right. We are giving away an Apple iPad. Okay, Antonio, say it loud and proud. Who do we have?
So the winner tonight of the iPad is Desson.
Great. Congrats. Yeah, thank you. We are giving away a $500 gift card for a wine tour with Vivid Tours here in the Okanagan.
Miss Ronaye Davis.
Ronaye Davis. Congrats, Ronaye. Thank you. Yeah, you betcha.
Scott Devenny up to the front. Make some noise for Skinny D. Just so everybody knows, 8+ years with the company. The guy is an absolute beauty. It's his 40th birthday tonight. The big 4-0. John Reynolds. Hey! Thank you. There we go. Giving away $3,000. Who wants to win $3,000 right now? That's a lot of money.
$3,000 is going to Gloria Davyduke.
Oh! Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, come on in. Come on. Let's go. Guys in the back, you want to win $5,000? Mr. Gursharn Singh. Mr. Gursharn Singh. Let's go. Really quickly, thank you everybody for coming out tonight. I appreciate you guys' patronage. Thanks for having some fun with us.